welcome to Vancouver Community College's Spring Awards Ceremony.
Many of our past winners, some who are here today, have gone on to achieve great success, whether they've started their own businesses, winning international awards, or just giving back to the community to make the community a better place. By winning an award today, you are an esteemed company.
I hope this achievement serves as a reminder of the potential you possess and the positive impact you can make on the world.
So whether you've overcome barriers as a newcomer, you've embraced new career paths, or you've successfully balanced your studies with personal responsibilities, your journey to this point has been marked by incredible determination and a lot of support. I commend each and every one of you for that unwavering commitment to personal growth and your academic pursuits.